What's up, YouTube? So, I haven't been back from Florida for too long, about a week and a half. So, I did buy a shotgun. I've done a video on that already. Now, I picked my shotgun up. It's right over here next to me. I am going to do a video on it. So, yeah. Let's jump into that. And, yeah. Hey, y'all. Here's the box. I'm not sure if we'll stay outside the full time. I'm gonna try to. We do have showers coming though. I'm hoping to shoot it in this video. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing up and show the people what they want. So, of course, we've got Winchester sticker, all of that in here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the owner's manual, Winchester Super X pump, 12 and 20 gauge pump action shotgun owner's manual. You see, when I bought this, I had no idea you could turn it over to a 20 gauge. No idea. I just seen that it was a 12 gauge, and that's what I've been looking for turkey hunting or squirrel hunting or whatever the case may be. Coyote hunting. Talks about all the like safety issues or not issues, but safety precautions, that kind of stuff, how to take the gun apart, how the safety works, talking about the trigger guard, the slot or the bolt and the firing pin, the lug, the injector, magazine tube, full look at the gun. Came with this little booklet. It don't really have much in it. Well, it's got stuff in it, but not really nothing I can just look down and automatically tell you what they're talking about. I am gonna read this though. Got a little Winchester sticker. Join NRA today. And this is just a confirm your new Winchester firearm purchase online thing. And of course, a choke tube wrench. Now I'm pretty sure, yeah, 20 gauge or 12 gauge or 20 gauge. But that might be a little too big for a 410. But yeah. Now I'm gonna take a guess, because the pawn shop I had bought this shotgun from, I know a few people who's bought shotguns from there, and anytime you get a brand new shotgun, you normally get a full choke, a modified choke, and an improved cylinder choke. I'm guessing that's what I got in here. I don't know, don't mark my words on it, but I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing anyways, that's what's in here. Of course, it comes with a little lock. But, yeah. Actually, I'll change the view on this a little bit. No, not yet, I won't. I'll wait till I start putting it together and then change the view on it for you all. It's a pretty nice gun. I kind of wish the safety was moved back, because the safety's right here. I wish it was about right here. I'm more comfortable that way, but I can still use it, because I've used guns with the safeties being here inside the trigger guard, where you got to get your finger in between the trigger and the safety in order to turn the safety off. Mossberg's, some of their safeties are up here. Some safeties are back here. And yeah, but oh, there's that wind, it's picking up. I don't know how much my tripod's gonna move around, so just bear with us for the time being. And here's the barrel. Look at the chokes real quick, see what they are. This is a improved cylinder. I don't know how well you all can see that right now, but it's an improved cylinder. And then I'm going to take a guess and say this is a full, because I'm going to say they probably got a modified in the barrel. Okay, yep, that's a full. I knew that was a full as soon as I pulled it out. And then get the wrench out. I'm gonna go ahead and change the view, and then yeah. Alright y'all, we're back. I'll go ahead and take this tube out of the barrel, and see what it is. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be a modified, but I'll check to make sure anyways. Because if not, I'm definitely going to get me a modified specifically for squirrel hunting or rabbits or whatever. But probably mainly squirrel. I'm hoping this weather holds off for a few more so I can at least try to shoot it for y'all. But I don't know how it's going to work. Because that wind's starting to pick up and everything now, and it's cloudy, as you all can see back that way. Thought I heard coyotes, but I think it was someone else's dogs, and it's the echo of them. I don't know, that might be coyotes. Not sure. Okay, yup, I'm modified. Probably just put the modified back down in there. I want to see, look and see how clean the barrel is. It should be clean, because this is a new gun, but yeah, it's clean. I love looking down new barrel sights. Or not sights, new barrels, because it's just so amazing how nice and shiny they are until you start shooting them. Then they get black, but they look nice before you ever do shoot them. Alrighty, well, let me put the choke tube wrench back up. And then I'll put the gun together real quick. Well, put the barrel on the gun real quick. Now, I am going to keep the box just for whenever nothing is in season, which nothing is right now, but I'm taking it out to shoot it. But after the video, I will put it back in the box and all that. But yeah, only reason I'm keeping the box is just so when I'm not using it, I've got something to store it in and put it in my closet. But give me just a second, you all. Sorry about that, you all. My grandma walked out. But she just don't want her face on YouTube or anything like that, so being respectful. But yeah, let's get this barrel on. It is supposed to sound like that. For anyone who's watching this video and may not know, it is gonna sound like that. Oh wait, what am I doing? It's just awkward doing this, trying to hold it. Because normally I'm doing it in the house where I'm sitting down over top of it, basically. There it is, y'all. Most satisfying noise ever right there. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. This is in case if I don't get a target set up and everything before it rains. So thank you all for watching, and make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hope y'all like this video. If I do get to continue though, I'll redo the ending and everything, but I'm gonna shoot it and all that, so yeah, give me just a few minutes. Let me try to get everything set up before the rain, but if not, K-Bo's Adventures is out. Thank y'all for watching. And thanks to all my subscribers and any new followers that may come along the way. And just thanks. Thank y'all. Alrighty, YouTube. I'm loading the shotgun now. This bottle right here is what I'm shooting. So just get ready for the shot and it'll be there. Alright, are you ready? I cleared some of your weed back here. Yeah, I bet. There it is, y'all. Think the bottle's dead, but yeah. Thank y'all for watching. K-Bo's Adventures is out.